Now let us see the vector form of Fick's law or Fick's law. Simply say Fick's law. We have defined J A Y is equal to minus rho DAB TWA by DY. Now you're able to understand this is in Y direction. Now we have two more directions, that is X direction and Z direction. So in the X direction, we shall write the same. In the Z direction also, we will try to write. So this is X direction. Now we want to write it in X direction. That will be something J A X is equal to minus rho dou AB dWA by dx. Another one we have in Z direction. That is again written as J A Z is equal to minus rho dAV dWA by dz. Now combining all these three equations, we will get the flux or the vector form of the what we call J. So what is that we have to see? So now if I combine J A Y plus J A X plus J A Y is equal to what is that we can actually write in this place is that minus rho D A B dWA by dx plus minus rho dAV dWA by dx. Sorry, this is first one is y actually. The first one is y plus minus rho dAV dWA by dz. So put together, we can say minus rho dAV can be taken as common multiplied by dWA by dy dWx, sorry, dWA by dx dWA by dz. So let me make it more clear here. dWA by dx, dWA by dy, like this, dz. So last one dz. So the left hand side becomes the vector, or I can write this as like this. I can write this as vector, like in the bottom I can say one line and I can say this. This is equal to minus rho dAB. We are left with dWA by dx, dWA by dy, dWA by dz. Rather, putting it in dou form is actually what we are writing. Now when we say in three directions, we cannot write D differential. We should write actually D dou W by dou X plus dou Y W plus dou by dou Z WZ. Because we are considering three directions, we should write it in the form of like now the minus rho D. This is actually the form of like this. Okay, so this is something WA, so WA. So this portion is dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z, and this is scalar quantity. This is minus rho dAB. This is del quantity into W. So this is the gradient of W. This is the vector molecular mass transfer, molecular mass flux of component A. So this is the vector form of Fick's law.